This group of friends are young professionals who value quality and style. They've been looking for a new handbag that is both functional and fashionable.
Good day, ma'am! Welcome to our boutique. How can I help you?
We were just browsing. Kanina mo yung handbag, ma'am.
Oh, you came in the right place. What's your also gold? What's your gusto?
Ano classic?
Kanina mo, siya naman siya quality.
That's nice. Hindi naka-special ka ba?
Ang naka-special sa mong bag, ma'am, is handmade siya from Italian. Also, pinaprovide ko siya sa pinaka-the best na handbag maker dito sa Italian, which is si Genevieve Packet. Kasi yung gusto ma'am, mas elegant din siya, ma'am.
Ako'y nakita ang kaparyang mga product. So, unsay kalgian mo yan?
So, ma'am, our product may look similar, but our product, when you purchase it, naka 1 month warranty. So, you can confident purchase our product.
Ano, pero kay... Pero mahalan lagi sa yung price mo, ma'am.
Kung magmahal sa mong product mong ay kitsada na kayo quality, di kung pagit ka ayo.
Hindi, ma'am, palito ni namo, ma'am. Bukan ka, Bok, ma'am.
Great choice, ma'am! So, in a few weeks na, ma'am, among mong i-follow up, satisfied ba mo sa inyong product na na-purchase? Ikan sa among link. Hari, ma'am. Ma'am, mo sa inyo pamahagi sa inyong pagkayad, ani, ma'am. We have cash, Gcash, card, or ano sa ma'am?
Card na lang, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Tara, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll